Tired of your dog's lingering odor after a day of play? Arm Hammer for Pets Odor Control Dog Spray offers a natural way to neutralize those smells without harsh chemicals. Powered by trusted baking soda, this spray refreshes your dog's coat instantly, making every cuddle session more enjoyable. What sets this spray apart is its gentle yet effective formula. Unlike human deodorizing sprays that can disrupt your dog's skin, this product is pH balanced specifically for dogs. That means it protects their natural skin barrier while keeping odors at bay, a crucial factor for dogs with sensitive skin. The subtle blueberry coconut scent adds a light, fresh note without overpowering your pup's natural smell. Some pet owners love this soft fragrance because it's not too strong but still leaves a clean, pleasant finish. It's perfect for those who want freshness without artificial overload. Beyond odor control, this spray moisturizes and conditions your dog's coat between baths. Combining Arm Hammer baking soda with natural extracts, it helps keep fur manageable and soft. That's a real benefit when regular baths aren't always possible or convenient. Another plus: the formula is free from sodium lauryl sulfate, dyes, and parabens. This means it's safe for puppies and dogs with sensitive skin, avoiding the irritation that harsh chemicals can cause. You get a clean, fresh coat without compromising your pet's comfort. If you're looking for a reliable way to keep your dog smelling fresh between baths, this spray is worth a look. It offers what you need: odor neutralization, gentle care, and a subtle scent, all in one easy-to-use bottle. Plus, the trusted Arm Hammer baking soda base gives you confidence in its effectiveness. Try Arm Hammer for Pets Odor Control Dog Spray when you want a simple, natural solution to pet odors. It fits seamlessly into your routine, helping your dog feel clean and comfortable every day. If that's you, this spray might just become your go-to for freshening up your furry friend.